I see something cool.
You don't have a sample?
It's a real gator. It's a real gator. Hold on, let me get the gator. It's the real gator. Oh, you ain't had this type of alligator. I want to get close to some big alligators. We're in Georgia, Fantasy Swamp. Big Gator series from Mr. 845. It's dangerous. Pay attention. See him, look. Bigger than the trail. I'm going to show you some big gators right now. Get involved with me. We're going to stop right here so I can let y'all see this. It's two of them, right? We're going to get involved. Let's go. Come on.
Oh, hold on. Wait a minute.
Gator alert. Gator alert. We got a heron over here. Gator alert. Hey. Come on, we ain't done. We're going to get up close to him and touch him and pet him. You ever been this close to a wild gator before? I know y'all want more content. Yeah, you hear the birds is happy. Boy, the gator's sunbathing. Gotta be careful out here though. Cause we already see the monsters that's out here, right? Right. You see the monsters. There's water on both sides of me. Yeah, it's going.